an omelet or egg pizza.
Girl, I just make it sometimes. I don't even know what it's called.
So I'm just gonna try
I guess an
this
omelet
piece.
or...
Mmm. Very yummy.
Yeah, try it together with the shrimp.
I actually want to warm this up a little.
Oh, it's not warm enough?
No. But it is delicious, so it's nice. What's in here? I can see there's bacon and shrimp.
Yeah, this is the same shrimp I made the other day. So these are leftovers, girl.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for letting me try.
Yeah, so warm it up and enjoy. This is a quick video to share with you how to make a quick egg dish using some leftovers. And I use shrimp and bacon, which I previously posted. If you are interested in checking it out, it's available out there. Some delicious thing. I'm telling you, you will love it. Very quick to make. So let's now get into our cooking. Before we do that, don't forget to subscribe. Press that thumbs up. And of course, after watching the video, don't forget to comment. Let's get to cooking now. Then I'm ready to pour it in here. I have a little bit of oil. I'll put the oven on oil now. Make sure it's at high temperature. Make sure the heat is not too high because I am going to put it in the oven for the last 2 minutes. So it goes to the bottom. Everything else is cooked. So this is my leftover fish. I broke it out. I'll put it there. My leftover shrimp. My leftover shrimp. Remember this shrimp? If you have watched my video, you will see how I made this delicious shrimp with some bacon. Bacon bits. Move fast, right? You don't want it way cooked. And then I'm going to put, I have some cheese here. This is some special cheese. It's very, very tasty. Very tasty. This is the cheese. Good cheese. And then I'm going to just put a little bit of parsley on top. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven. Oven. Beautiful, right? Beautiful.